Okay, so I've already got started on this, trying to figure out how it's going to be best to get these out. I don't want to have to take the whole wall out. They sit underneath here. They're right in here. So I did do some tests here, and this one I got out pretty easily. But what I'm doing now is I'm starting to break this board loose. There's screws through it, and I'm not going to be able to get to all the screws. So let me get some stuff out of the way here. So I'm going to take out what screws I can. Get hold of a screwdriver here. That doesn't want to come out. That one's stripped out. All right, well, I'm just going to cut all those. Metal blade on my reciprocating saw here. This doesn't surprise me that it's rotten because it's the battery bay. Don't get your punch stuck in there, TR. Well, the bolts just rusted off because that's where the battery box was. There we go. Yeah, I need to replace that whole thing. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some 5mm sheets in there because I think they'll fit perfectly, and then sand it down. But I need to get this out of the way. That should be cut off. I don't know if I can get in there to get that screw out or not. I need a different setup though here. Well, we're just going to do a little bit more surgery here. Well, as usual, the deeper you dig, the more crap you find, but I think I'm okay at this point. I'm not worried about this wall. It doesn't show anyway, I don't think, but we're pretty rotten here. So 3 inches by 2 and 3 by 2.5, 3 by 2.5. So I've made myself a little sandwich here. I've got this piece right here, which is going to fit down in there. It fits in there nice. And then I've got this Dutchman that I'm going to layer in here too. Okay. I think it must go this way. Yeah. All right. I'm just going to glue and clamp that. Let's blow it out one last time. Well, that's kind of a bush fix, but it should work. So it's lunchtime. I'm going to take a break, which is perfect timing. That'll give this stuff a chance to dry. And then we'll tackle the other two, which will probably be just about as big a pain in the ass as this one was. This one wasn't too bad, but this one, you know. Anyway, we'll get there. See you in a bit. Okay, so I'm just continuing to repair this frame right here, trying to put this corner back together. I'm only going to replace this 1x2, and there's some framing right here. Hi there. That needs to be replaced. I'm going to relieve for this bolt head and this bottom piece of framing. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to enlarge this, okay? I want it just a little bigger because I need some overlap. I want this to be flush. All right, so I'm just going to eyeball this, and I'm just going to go to like maybe 4 inches. And it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to do it right here. All right, and then I don't want to go taller than this. All right, we're just going to multi-tool that puppy right out of there. So hopefully the camera's cooled off enough you can get a shot of this. But what I'm doing here is that this is the battery cabinet, and this whole edge here was pretty much rotten. But I got to digging in here and realized that I could get down to good wood, and so I'm just going to put a little Dutchman patch in, just like I did right there. And so right now I'm just kind of cleaning up this edge. Now I need a 1x2. I'm gonna go to here, and then I also need a 1x1. So the 1x2, we'll go to here. No, I want to go to here with the 1x2. So that's 45. Looks like 7/8. 13/16. 45 and 13/16.